my friends, I'm going to make a very delicious food today and teach you how to make the Persian food. This Persian food, the name is Aash Reshteh or something similar, Hearty soup. So we start to prepare our beans and soak in water. And just remember, you can find all ingredients in description under video. And soak in water for 2 hours or overnight, and after that again change the water and put for cooking for 20 minutes boiling time. And after that we need to drain them and change the water again, but we do this one only because we want to avoid of making gas in our stomach. In this way is very useful way to avoid of making gas in the stomach. So after that we need to put the beans in bigger pot because we have to add a lot of ingredients. I want to tell you, you have to be careful if you want to use salt, because 2 other ingredients are salty already, such as vegan curd and the special noodles, which is salty for this food. We add water, boiling water, and when they start to boiling, we add turmeric and black pepper. But as I said, just for salt, be careful. You can add salt, but not too much, because 2 other ingredients are salty already. But later, if wasn't enough, you can check always and add salt if required. This food is really famous in Persian lifestyle. It's very popular. We go for and just peeling our 4 whole garlics and go back to food processor, and our vegetables and herbs already we washed and chopped them and put in food processor, plus garlic and onion and white radish. Just dice them nicely and prepare them for cooking. Also we add baby spinach here, which is already 120 grams, and we made this Aash for our group. As you saw in the start of video, we have a vegan group and we have monthly sharing food together and gathering together in some parks. So here we add 3 big onions, cut them and prepare for frying in pan, and just let little bit get more softer and go to dicing our garlics. So always we have to prepare between each other. So in onion we add for frying onion we add turmeric and fry them very well. Sometimes we can add little bit water because avoiding of oil and making more healthy food as much as possible. Then we try to fry separately our garlics as well, and then we try to fry our dry mint. Just it is less than 1 minute in high flame oil. With oil we fry them just 1 minute, less than 1 minute, because if you do more would be bitter. And we try to add the fried onion and fried garlic to our pot and mix with the beans. And just gradually we try to cook very well, and make sure after a while we make sure when the beans already cooked. After that, we can add our greens, which already we diced from food processor. We transfer them to the pot and add boiling water. Always we can add boiling water if required. So don't worry about the water. Always you can add boiling water. Here we have another half of the white radish. We cut in this way and add. And again start boiling and cooking. It takes time. It is long time process of cooking, but it is worth it. So this food is really very yummy, and Persian use this food for many different events. We add salt and pepper. Just be careful, as I said before, about the salt. We have another ingredients here, which is dried herb, which is special for this food, Aash Reshteh. So I'm adding 2.5 cups of this special dried herbs gradually, and you can find this dried herb from any Persian store in your city. So we mix them and make sure. This food is actually a little bit thick. Is not very, it is hearty. Similar hearty soup is thick, and for making thick, we add 1.5 teaspoon flour with cold water, and mix them very well before add to the pot. It's just normal flour. And then after cooking very well, again we come and bring the special noodles which you can find in Persian store in your city. It is salty noodles, and we cut in 3 pieces and add to the soup. And almost I've used it, I think, I use it around 445 grams of these noodles. I really sorry if I made a very quick video, because I want to make easier for you. That's why sometimes it's very hard to explain when the video is very short. So after 10 minutes, our noodles would be fine, and we can add dried mint. Now we are very close to final stage of this food to get ready. It is super tasty, and just I'm telling you, I love this food when it is cold. We add here curd, vegan curd, which I told you it is salty, and you can see the link just up here or the end of the video. You can see the video how to make this curd. It is a vegan curd. I made it by myself. It is 300 milligrams, and we mix it very well, and the color of soup would be a little bit changed, similar creamy. So it is creamy veggie beans noodles soup, very delicious. I love it, especially when it is cold. When I make this food, always when it is cold I eat. I mean, even in winter I just take from fridge and eat. After 20 minutes, our Aash is ready. As you can see, thick and very yummy and looks very healthy. I want to appreciate your support always, and please subscribe my channel like the video and leave a comment on the video. I really appreciate it, and I want to tell, just enjoy this food, and goodbye until next video. Bye.